Hey guys, GameBoy3800 here once again for Confident Gaming. Today we're playing another space-oriented game. This is called Universe Sandbox, or Universe Sandbox 2 to be precise. This is early access, but it seems to be mostly based on Universe Sandbox 1. And here we basically just get a whole bunch of different scenarios we can do here. If we go to create, we can make a whole lot of collision theories. We can do a lot of orbit theories to get some cool shapes. We can do some solar system type things. We get some galaxies. Then we have some encounters from like asteroids and stuff. Then grids. Just a whole lot of stuff. And then chaotic orbits is just that. So we're gonna just play around with the base one today, which is our lovely solar system. If it wasn't here, neither would we. We have our sun. Days per second is at 14.5 just about, so that's why it spins so fast. That's why Mercury spins around so fast. And then I'm zooming in on this tiny little unknown object. I have no idea what it is. Since I have no idea what it is, we're just going to go on back to our sun. And I wanted to know, what happens if Jupiter suddenly became 10 times bigger? Right now, the largest, oh my god, click it. Oh, that's Mars. I'm stupid. Okay, there's Jupiter. I wanted to know what would happen if Jupiter all of a sudden got 10 times bigger. So, how do we make it 10 times bigger without getting a calculator? Simple. Add a 0. So now it is much bigger than before, and it's a lot brighter as well. You can see it's now 1,000 times the mass of Jupiter by just making it 10 times bigger. But now, you see, if we go ahead and speed up the time here, a lot of things are going crazy. Mars is out of here. Earth, who knows what happened to it? What did happen to Earth? What are they orbiting? Is that the sun? So that's Jupiter. That one must be Saturn? Yeah, that's Saturn. Let's go ahead and pause this here. Oh no, that's the sun. The sun and Jupiter. If we go to the sun, how many Jupiters big is it? So the Jupiter and the sun are pretty much the exact same size right now. In fact, I can make them the same size by copying all that, going to Jupiter, pasting it there. Okay, that's not letting me paste it, so 70, 20, 20. Simple enough. Oh, what? It didn't let me do that. Why isn't it letting me do that? I think all that did was make it go back to normal. What's going on here? Look at this insanity. That's the Earth. That's just completely gone now. Mars, no one knows what happened to it. So I think now we're starting to get more of an even orbit. So yeah, if Jupiter became 10 times as big as it already is, it would be devastating. Our solar system would not survive at all. Or at least not in the way we think of it. So we're waiting for it to come into a stable orbit, but unfortunately I don't think it's going to because of all the planets around it. Jupiter is more like a sun now. So let's go ahead and pause it. And what is this? What is that orbiting you? That is Mercury. What happens if we make Mercury suddenly 10 times bigger as well? So now it's that big. Okay, something has happened. Some very odd looking orbits, but yeah, our solar system is not what it used to be. Come on, man. Come on, solar system, what happened to you? You didn't used to be like this. We can do the same thing to Mars as well, way out here. We can just make it explode, even. We gave it so much mass so quickly that it just went fucking nope and exploded on us. Can do the same thing to Saturn. Same thing to the Earth, that's now freezing over. So now we have this massive cloud that nothing should survive. We seem to have one thing gone way out over here. What is that? I can't tell what that is. So the sun, we can make that one die too. Oh, the sun can survive being increased that much. Now it's just getting absurdly big. Eventually, though, something will give. And that's not giving. A lot of things are flying away at light speed. Just making everything a black hole. Yeah, do not trust me as creator of the universe. Otherwise, everything will look like that. Alright, so let's go ahead and restart and try something else. Crazy solar system. What's this? Oh my god. Everything is orbiting each other. Look at this. And everything's colliding. Let's cause more colliding. So let's make it 150, make it slightly bigger. And yeah, pretty much everything never was gonna go right to begin with in this solar system. There we go, let's just make a star that big, so big that it just kind of dies instantly. We can do it again with that planet, whatever that is. Am I looking at the right one? No, I'm not. Yes, I am, okay. It has a decreasing radius somehow. But now, with it being almost as big as its sun, we can make it far bigger. Oh my god. Ah! It was the thing, then it wasn't, and then it just died. this fun to create explosion. We can make the Earth so big that it'll automatically take up all those moons. Oh. Oh. All I did was turn it into whatever this is. With a radius of 15 kilometers. Let's make it bigger. Let's just make it bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Just turning it into whatever we're calling this thing. "20 suns, 900 suns." Actually, isn't too big of a difference between 20 and 900. I'm trying to. Oh no! It collapsed again. No matter. Oh, all I did was delete the whole thing. It appears. Okay, so with a star swarm. Oh, it's one star with a bunch of other stars? Yeah. So all the things should collide into each other. Oh, okay. So now we have all the things going to the thing, or around the thing. Is that a fragment? It is. Just caused so many explosions. That thing is super bright. But I guess it should be. Let's do one more stupid crazy thing. Let's make a Jupiter solar system. How many Jupiters big can we make this Jupiter? So it's got the one there. If we made a 20, would it survive? It seems like it would survive all of the initial impacts. That is good. That means you can have a planet this big. About 50 times. Okay. 100 times. About 500 times. Okay, now it's becoming a star. And that causes explosions. So many explosions, so little time. Random solar system. So this is not Earth, not at all. Let's speed it up by a lot. Okay, whatever is happening is really, really weird. These things must have a massive orbital period. Oh, it's just not doing a thing for me. Okay. Try again. Okay, this seems a little bit more normal. Let's make it less normal. Oh. Oh. Okay. Well then. This poor planet's being scorched to death. Because of all of the radiation. Temperatures, where could possibly go? Oh. That's what's happening. Oh, it just completely evaporated on me. I didn't mean to do it, I swear. It was actually pretty far away. Let's do it again. How hot are you? You are so hot that you are burning all of yourself away for now. Oh, can I not change you? No, it just immediately goes back down. Okay, you need to be way hotter. And then you just immediately go back down again. Okay, you need to be bigger. So now all the gas it was ejecting is now being sucked back into it. I think all the gas around it's being sucked into it as well. It is massively increasing in size here. There's a sun nova remnant. We can of course make this bigger. Oh. Apparently doing that did nothing. And now it's just doing that. Now there's like 3 sources of light here. You can go ahead and be that thing. Just some massively hot and bright thing. Even bigger? How big can we get you before you collapse? 1500? No problem. 1.5 times the sun, no problem. 2 times the sun, once again, no problem. So now we're getting into sun territory. So we can go not that big. We can't go that big. Okay. And that made a second nebula thing. Now I said one more, but I keep lying. Random moon swarm. What's this one? Oh my god. It's okay, Earth. You'll be fine. Now it's gotten so big that it's doing that thing. Climate, how hot are you? Only 5,000K? Let's make it 1,000. Now you're super dark, or we can make it that hot, so it's like awful to live on. So it's like a teeny tiny thing. Oh, it's only 1 times the size of the sun? We can fix that. There we go. 500 times, that's nothing. 1,000 times, also nothing. 2,000 times, there we go, also no problem. Come on, let's explode. 5,000, still nothing. 10,000, nothing. 100,000. You're fine, you're fine. 1 million. It's fine, look at it. It's just a gigantic star. $1 billion. Okay, there we go. Radius 200 astronomical units. How big can we make this thing before it just kind of can't do a thing anymore? That's about as small as I can get it. Okay, now it's doing a thing. If this was the Milky Way, nothing in the universe would survive, because its gravitational force would be so strong, so massive, nothing could handle it. That many zeros, it can't handle that much. So, what is that, 5 nines? It really can't get any bigger than that. That's as big as it gets. How hot can I get this? Any hotter? No? Okay. Okay, I think that's gonna be about all we can do in this insane alternate universe. It's supposed to be many thousands of times bigger than the Milky Way, but somehow the Milky Way is right over there. So whatever. How dense can we make this? Is that a thing we can play with? Nope. Dang it. Okay. That's gonna be it for this video. If you enjoyed me destroying the universe, go ahead, leave a like, favorite, comment, share, and of course subscribe. Thanks, Game Boy out. I will see you in the future.